Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 28th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Which ministry will organize a year-long celebration to mark 100th birth anniversary of the filmmaker Satyajit Ray? Asian Boxing Championship 2021 will be held in which country? United States of America has approved the proposed sale of 6 P-8 petrol aircraft to India. Which company is manufacturing it? Kamala Harris became the first president of which country? Who has received 2021 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Uttarakhand has suspended the Chardham Yatra. The Chota Chardham circuit consists of Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and what? What is the name of seabed mining robot which recently got stranded on the Pacific Ocean floor in the deep sea mining trial? Lakshman Vijay Patil, who passed away recently, was a renowned who? Shakti Mazumdar, who passed away recently, was associated with which sport? Dr. Sri Kumar Banerjee, who passed away recently, was the former chairman of which organization? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So which ministry has celebrated 100th birth anniversary of Satyajit Ray? This is Information Broadcasting Minister. Information Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar. Asian Boxing Championship 2021 will be held in UAE, Abu Dhabi, in UAE. UBS has approved the proposal. The company is Boeing. Kamala Harris has become the Vice President of USA. She is the 49th Vice President of USA. Who has received 2021 UNESCO Guillermo Cano Award? Maria Ressa. Chota Chardham, Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath in Uttarakhand. What is the name of seabed mining? Patania 2. Patania 2nd. Vijay Kumar Patil passed away, was a renowned musician. Shakti Mazumdar is related to boxing. Sri Kumar Banerjee passed away, was the former chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. So let's discuss our today's current affairs. Who has taken the additional charge as the chairman of National Dairy Development Board for 6 months? So National Dairy Development Board has its headquarters in Anand, which is in Gujarat. In Gujarat's capital Gandhinagar, we have the headquarters of IFSCA. IFSCA's headquarters is in Gujarat's Gandhinagar. So who is the chairman of NDDB? So this is Manish Shah. Manish Shah has been appointed as the chairman for 6 months. NDDB. Which organization has recently test-fired Nirbhaya missile from integrated test range of the coast of Odisha? So this is DRDO. Defense Research Development Organization has successfully test-fired Nirbhaya, and it has been commissioned by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, whose constituency is in Lucknow. And if you talk about DRDO, established in 1958, and the chairman is G. Satish Reddy. So remember about DRDO. And what is this Nirbhaya. And Nirbhaya is a subsonic cruise missile. Subsonic cruise missile. Remember this, subsonic cruise missile. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the three-member task force created for Mission Karma Yogi. So this is SD Shahib Lal. Shahib Lal has been appointed as the chairperson for the Mission Karma Yogi. Project Sea Bird is the largest naval infrastructure project of which country? So this is of Karnataka, and by Rajnath Singh, by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has overviewed this project in Karnataka, in Karwar district, and the defense minister took the review in Karnataka. Which state has increased the honorarium of ASHA workers by 1000 and gives additional of 500 rupees as COVID allowance? So this is of Maharashtra government. Maharashtra government has increased 1000 rupees. Now amount will get 3000. Earlier it was 2000 rupees. Now they will get 3000 and additional of 500 rupees. Additional of 500 rupees has been given due to the COVID-19 allowance. Earlier it was 2000 rupees. If you talk about Maharashtra, who is the chief minister? Uddhav Thackeray. And who is the governor? Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Government has extended the deadline for linking PAN with Aadhaar card, permanent account number with Aadhaar card, till which date? So this is September 30. So government has extended this linking of PAN with Aadhaar card till September 30, just into look of COVID-19. So they have extended this. A proposal has been sent to which state government to declare the Kadavur Reserve Forest located in Karur district as a sanctuary for cedar lorries. So this is of Tamil Nadu. In Karur, we have the headquarters for Karur Vysya Bank. In Karur, we found Karur Vysya Bank, which is based in Tamil Nadu. So the proposal has been sent to the Tamil Nadu government to declare Kadavur Reserve Forest, and which is located in Karur district. Mizoram state government has signed an MOU loan agreement of 32 million with which bank for the health system in the state? So this is World Bank. So World Bank has provided $32 million to Mizoram, and one more $64 has been given to Nagaland also. Around 64 to Nagaland. And who is the president? David Malpass. David Malpass is the president, and Washington DC is the headquarters. Washington DC is the headquarters. Which state government approved the student credit card scheme? So this is West Bengal. So West Bengal government has approved the student credit card scheme. In this scheme, student will get 10 lakh rupee as a loan at 8% interest rate, and this scheme we will get to those persons who spend 10 years in West Bengal. Minimum he or she should be a resident of West Bengal for the 10 years, and this loan 10 lakh rupees will be of 15 years, of 15 years and up to 40 years of age. 40 years of age, uh, student can avail this loan, student credit card scheme for UG, PG. They can take the loan for MBA, MCA, all the degrees, UG, PGs, everything, MBBS also, including MBBS. Student credit card scheme by West Bengal. Who is the Chief Minister? Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee, and Jagdeep Dhankad is the governor of West Bengal. What is the capital? Kolkata. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched these schemes which has completed 6 years. Which among the following is not the scheme? So Amrut City, Smart City Mission, Amrut and Pradhan Mantri Awas. These three have completed 6 years. Ayushman Bharat. This has been launched in 2018 and this has been launched in 2015. 1, 2, 3, 15. And these three schemes have completed 6 years and launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Hardeep Singh Puri. Which country has signed an agreement with International Solar Alliance? So this is Denmark. Denmark has signed an agreement with International Solar Alliance. International Solar Alliance has its headquarters in Gurugram, in Haryana. Denmark, Copenhagen was the capital. Copenhagen. And Pooja Kapoor is India's ambassador to Denmark. Pooja Kapoor is India's ambassador to Denmark. China has planned to send its first crewed missile to Mars by 2033. By 2033. And Tianwen-1 is a missile of China only. And they have planned to send first cruise missile by 2033. What is the theme of MSME Day? MSME Day is observed on 27th of June and it was the 4th edition. This is important. This is the 4th edition and the theme is Key to an Inclusive and Sustainable Recovery. Key to an Inclusive and Sustainable Recovery is the theme of MSME Day. Micro, small, medium enterprises. Who is the minister? Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari, whose constituency is in Nagpur. Ramgarh Sanctuary has become the India's 52nd tiger reserve of India and it is located in Rajasthan. So this is very easy. So Rajasthan has got the 52nd India's 52nd tiger reserve and the name is Ramgarh Sanctuary, which is India's 52nd. Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Ashok Gehlot. Ashok Gehlot. So these were the these were the daily current affairs of 28th of June. See you on 29th of June.